BIM Prospects is a really good platform for thought leadership, I think, in the industry. And it's a really excellent place to bring the various stakeholders together. And we, IES, we think we have a very unique proposition, which is part of the BIM value chain. And we call that BIM for analysis. And it's something we're quite keen to push within the industry. So, we're looking forward to BIM Prospects. Hope it'll be an excellent event. Yeah, it's a mixed bag, really. I think we found that some organizations who invested in education, in research, in skills, in training, they're showing a bit more leadership. But generally, we've also seen a lot of confusion in the market. There's a lot of disparate information, there's misinformation. So, it's quite a mixed bag. People think that BIM is a piece of software, and it's not. You can invest in technology and software, but BIM itself is so much bigger than that. So I think we still need that learning by doing for the industry to kind of catch up. And we've talked about it a lot, and now it's time to actually do it. And I think that's where the learning will come from. I think skills is absolutely fundamental to this. Skills, education, the awareness, the training. You've got a lot of trainers out there. I think the other thing is that BIM for us is about information management. And information management is not really a skill set that we've had traditionally in architecture, design, engineering kind of disciplines. So I think bringing that in and getting people to think about their BIM strategy is really important instead of just jumping in. So I think a lot of people do need to focus more on defining their BIM strategy, taking a step back, looking at what's going on. And that has been perhaps a cause of slow adoption. In a nutshell, it will increase the efficiency, productivity, and hence profitability of your projects. And that's the bottom line. I think as a technology and software provider, IES, we tend to focus on interoperability issues for BIM. So a lot of people will be using different platforms for, from the architects, from the contractors, the engineers will use something else. So we sit in between that landscape because we provide, integrated environmental solutions. So for us, a lot of the conversation is always about, the platform, how, connected is the whole BIM story, and, how we can help clients to achieve that. Yeah, absolutely. I think one big trend that we've seen in the market, and also a trend that we're trying to set, is there's a lot more focus now on the operational phase of the building. So closing the performance gap, as we call it. And I think that kind of insight during the design stage is becoming more and more important. And obviously that's where the whole BIM value chain becomes so important. And the BIM for analysis, keeping your eye on the end goal, which is the, sustainable performance of buildings, making buildings as, energy and carbon efficient as possible. So I think that trend is really driving the latter end of the BIM cycle and hopefully accelerating the whole journey for us.